How to recover Nintendo account without email. To recover your Nintendo account even without your email, you can use your Authenticator application if you have previously set up two-factor authentication. You can also simply contact the Nintendo customer support directly to manually update your profile coordinates after passing identity verification. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice on your mobile device or on your desktop. Then head to the Nintendo customer support. Once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on this. From here, all you have to do is now gather your account ownership proof, such as your account nickname, linked serial number, transaction history, and date of birth as well. Now, once you're here within the website, you can proceed to file a report or file a claim, and you can get your account back. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.